Show you the 2015 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.